welcome back to the video. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 14. Here's just a little quick video of me and Ty with a quick trip to Ikea. Hope you enjoy it. See you tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 15. Turning his drift buggy. I know, we're so intrigued by the smallest things. But as you can tell where we are, you can always tell where we are when the arrows are on the floor. Okay, Taryn said we're just gonna walk up in people's houses. And excuse me, thank you for allowing us here. But he just said that he don't like books per se, but he like bookshelves. Y'all make it make sense for me, please. Please make it make sense for me. This is cute. I like this. So, I didn't know I was gonna find so much cool stuff. Ha. Say hey to the vlog. Bro, Ikea is so cool. So we're trying to do a living room, bathroom refresh. So I found so much stuff that I'm probably gonna get. I don't know yet. But I just got those chairs the other day, if you guys remember. But yeah. Okay, all right. I'm just gonna grab me something out of the refrigerator. I think I got some cold water in here. I'm not sure. Oh. I opened it from the wrong side, guys. What the heck? This is a cute kitchen, though. I love the sink. Ikea at its finest. This is super cute. Hi, welcome. Come on in. Kanak Barab Rod Flackercorn. Should I get him? Banaka Flackercorn. Excuse me, sir. Is this where I apply for the bank loans to get a car?
Yeah. There's one standing in front of me. What should I do? Okay. Your kind is over there.
So rude. Fun times and IKEA pickup. You trying to run me over, wouldn't you? All right, guys, we're finally leaving. Huh? Largadorf and Gerson Goddess. Cafe Rar. Cafe.
You got the wrong number. Can I help you with it?
And we're done. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Look at everything, y'all. Taryn fussing at me. I'm so sorry.